Learning disorders. Introduction. The term learning disorders includes a variety of disorders that affect the ability to learn. Select true or false. Correct. The common learning disorders are those related to learning reading, writing, and math. Which one of the following statements is true? Choose one of the following options. 1. All students with learning disorders have ADHD. 2. Some students with ADHD have learning disorders. Correct. Children with ADHD may have one or more learning disorders. Which of the following means the same as learning disorder? Choose one of the following options. 1. ADHD. 2. Learning disability or difficulty. 3. Mental disability. 4. Underperforming student. Correct. A learning disorder reflects how smart a person is. Select true or false. Correct. Intelligent children can have learning disorders. A child who does very well at mathematics could have a reading disorder that causes him or her to perform poorly in language arts. Most learning disorders are not identified until the child begins elementary school. Select true or false. Correct. Thank you for using Explain.